Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the process of, I can't really call it engraving because it's not engraving. I can call it printing because it'll be considered printing on metal blanks. My blanks were purchased from GS2 Awards. You're more than welcome to check them out. They have good prices and good products. With quality product, you can do quality work. And what's so special about this spray, it's what it contains. The zinc that causes the black lines to engrave onto the metal with the CO2 laser. With this spray, all you need is one thin coat. This is the brand and spray that you need, cold galvanizing compound. You would have to order it online. I'll have the link down below. I tried my local store, but you'll be very lucky if you can find it in your local Lowe's or hardware store. This is the cheapest way I have found to engrave on metal with a CO2 laser. At the time of the video, the bottles are $12. This $12 is going to make you a lot more money after learning this trick of the trade. All the information will be down in the description down below. The settings that worked perfectly for me was 1000 speed and 80% power. You may have to adjust your laser, but that's what worked for me. And if you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you. There's not too much to this process, but stay connected because I have a lot more videos coming out like this.